It's day 3 of the World Surf League US Open of Surfing, and I'm going to head down to the pier, see if there's any surf going on. Coming down Main Street again on the 3rd day of the surfing contest. Day 3 at the pier, US Open of Surfing. Sand sculpture is just sand and water. Pretty fragile.
To hold it, still holding the 5. Oh, a little steezy flow right there, getting around the section. Puts it on a rail, looking for this inside coming at him here. He's got a lot going on with it. He's going to bang it off that. That is just a literal foam ball right there. Chasing him down the line for some more too. Little foam climb. Might get some more on the inside, steezing it to the beach.
Here he goes. Looks like JR having a look at this one. Beautiful carve back to the foam. Waiting to sort of wall up. Hangs 5 there. Skips back to the back of the board. Looking for this one to stand up on the inside here. Huge section bending at him here. Floats it off the top. So beautiful wave for JR. Very well executed. 10 minutes remaining. So not looking for much to go into first position, so we'll see if that changes the situation.
JR headed towards the pier. Nice. Locked in nose right there. The Philippine squad is fired up and wraps that. Displacing a lot of water towards the pier. Not giving him a lot down the line, but he's just doing drop knee after drop knee to keep it going. They won the Mexi Log Fest this year. 2nd year in a row. This thing's still setting up. He's going straight, but that's where the line is. He gets a nice 10. Throws the Solar. I don't even know if he's moving towards the beach anymore with the way the current's holding him in place. And he's still
Look on the outside here, hanging strong 10.
taking a look directly at this left on his self-shaped surfboard. Gets a nice 5 there. He walks it back. Beautiful carve. Bashes it off the foam there. And now he's going to bring it back to the right. We'll see if this gives him the reform. He's looking down the line. He likes what he sees. See if it lets him get there. He gets another little foam climb there.
It looks like that. Turn it further, working it. He's not going to go on the right. Edward, you're locked in on a nice 10 there. It's around this section right behind him. Tommy straight into it. It's a nice 10 as well. Watch here. Move my line. I'm locking it in right there. Well, elevator dropping out. Blue having a look. Good looking wave here for Taka. Runs up there to the nose. Gets the quick 5 to the 10. Nice wrap right here all the way to the white water. Rebounds it nicely. Back out on the open face again. Swoop. Nice double up across the inside. Great wave right here for Taka.
3, 2, 1.
Well, my timing for day 3 of the US Open of Surfing was better. It's getting close to high tide. Waves were taking more shape. A lot more consistent.